we are live.
Okay. Hello everyone. Greetings from Vidya Lankar. Hope all of you are doing great and staying safe at your home. For our Vidya Lankar Gate student, we are already conducting live online lectures, and for students who have not joined Vidya Lankar, for them we are providing free pre-recorded Gate video lectures. So if you want to get access to those lectures, you please get back to us at 900-438-4232. So that's our number. You can drop a WhatsApp message or an SMS, and you will get access to those video lectures. So hi, my name is Abhijit, and today in this webinar we are joined by actually three gate rankers, and all from different years of gate. So Somesh, we have with us Somesh Srivastav. He is GATE 2018 All India rank 102. Currently doing his masters. He is in final semester. He is in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He is from Electronics and Communication Department, and he was a student of Sardar Patel Institute of Technology. We have with us Bhavendra Jha, who is GATE ranker from GATE 2019 mechanical branch. He has secured All India ranking of 216. He is currently working in IOCL. He also, got a seat in Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Then we have Sayali, who is a student in final year. She has appeared GATE 2020 from computer science. She's from Father Agnel's Bandra, and she has secured an All India ranking of 805, and she will be pursuing her masters. So hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for joining us here on Facebook Live. I hope this session will help a lot of students who are aspiring for GATE 21 and GATE 22. Okay, I'll start the session with Somesh because you are the senior most. If we, consider the order of GATE. Okay, so you have appeared GATE 2018. So Somesh, tell me, where are you? You are in Mumbai, right? Or
Yes,
you are in Bangalore?
I'm in Mumbai at the moment.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
So, what you are up to now? Like how you are, spending your time at home?
at, at the moment, I'm in final semester of my college, so they are
Yeah,
expecting us to do some project work. However,
right.
my project is, as I've said, my project is mostly on the actual hardware work. So I'm not able to do the full-fledged work at the moment, but I'm
Okay.
doing kind of literature survey and the what things I can do from home. There's a bit of machine learning there, so we're trying to implement those network. So the project is going on a bit. I don't have any
Okay.
subjects remaining, so the project is the
Okay.
only work I'm doing.
Okay. So basically, you are doing all the R&D, sort of thing that you can
That,
do from your home.
yes, at the moment, yeah, kind of.
Okay. So, and then Bhavendra, how are you?
Great,
Long
sir.
time.
How are
Long
you?
time. Yeah, I'm great. You are in IOCL Mathura, right? If I'm not wrong, you are in IOCL Mathura, right?
Yes,
Now. Okay. So
Mathura
you are
Refinery.
Mathura refinery. Okay. So you are there, or you came back to Mumbai for this COVID-19 situation?
Right now, I'm at home in Mumbai.
Okay. Okay. So how are your things going? Like, see, Bhavendra. Hello.
I, yeah.
Yeah. So see, for all the students who have joined us live, I want to let you know, Bhavendra has a long journey. He is a student from San John Palghar. He used to stay in Boisar. I think now also you stay in Boisar, right? So he used to travel
Yeah.
from Boisar to
Right now, I'm in
Dadar
Boisar
to
only.
attend lectures, and from St. John Palghar, he attempted GATE 2018 first. I
Yes.
think he has also secured a decent rank. It's between 1000 to 1500, I guess, right?
No, it was actually marks was 64 around. My rank was around 4,000.
Okay, okay. So he secured like 4000 rank. Then, so my question to Bhavendra is, what made you, reattempt GATE again in 2019? And of course, you have made the right choice. So just tell your story.
Yes, definitely. If you will look from now, it is definitely a very good decision to reapply 2019. The point here is that in 2018, so my preparation was very well.
Bhavendra, your I think your network is poor. वीडियो थोड़ा लैग कर रहा है. Okay, anyways, let's let's get back to Shaili till the time Bhavendra again joins the session. So Shaili currently in 8th semester.
Yes,
So
sir.
first question, what made you to take GATE?
So actually, I always wanted to do my masters, but I don't think like I did not want to do it because there's no one from my family decided to appear for GATE.
Okay, and currently your classes are going on, live lectures are going on at college. Yeah, Shaili, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so your lectures are going on at college, your live lectures.
No, not currently.
Okay, okay. So tell me something about your preparation strategy, because you are from computer science department, and we have a lot of students who look up to you, because they also want to secure good rank and do their masters and maybe get into a PSU. So tell me what was your preparation strategy? How did you start, and your entire journey? Because they all know your ranks by now, but they do not know the amount of hard work that you have put to get that sort of rank. So tell them something about your preparation strategy.
Yes, sir. So I started around in June, and I used to attend Vidyalankar classes every Sunday.
Okay.
And my major goal was to complete the syllabus at least around till November or something.
Right.
So
Right.
yes, around November I finished all my syllabus, and December Jan went in
Right.
test series, and also Vidyalankar test
Right.
series, and I had also joined one more because GATE is all about solving and practice. So yes, that is my strategy.
Right. So practice. I remember one thing. Bhavendra, can you hear me? I think his connection is still. Okay. Somesh, let's talk to you. So tell me, have you received your offer letter, Somesh?
Yes, I have received the offer letter. It came in lockdown
Last
actually,
time.
so at least I
Okay.
had something to look out to. Yeah.
Yeah. So last time when I met you, you said you have given your interview some positive way, but you have not yet received your offer letter. So you didn't want to disclose. So
Yeah.
can you disclose your offer now? Like
Yeah.
what sort of offer letter
Yeah. I
you
mean,
have received?
so
Yeah.
like it's for the profile is ASIC design engineer. So basically, it's
Okay.
about digital VLSI and programming and all that. And
Okay.
and it's from Nvidia. And
Okay.
the
Great.
pay the basic pay is around 16 point something. I don't remember. And
Yeah.
16 something LP, and the total the CTC is around 23, I think.
Oh, that's great.
They actually
That's a
increased.
huge CTC, to take. Okay, great. So tell me something about the interview process as well. So
NVIDIA.
yeah, for NVIDIA, right?
Okay, okay. So basically, almost all the companies follow similar format. So at the start, they will have an aptitude test or a technical test and a aptitude test. So once you
Okay,
clear it, then you go for interview rounds. Minimum there will
okay,
be two rounds of interview, and
right,
two technical rounds of interview and one HR typically.
right.
But however, some companies prefer 3-4 rounds of interviews and then an HR interview.
Okay,
So that's a normal process. Again, first technical they will be asking basic stuff only, nothing much. And
okay,
in aptitude, however, they give a lot of it is to aptitude here. So they expect that
okay,
you have to be very good in aptitude. So they don't pick
okay,
the top 10 scorers there. They have some
right,
cutoff marks, and then you
right.
have to score above that cutoff marks, and then you will be selected in aptitude. So they're
Okay,
expecting a high level of aptitude. When
okay.
in
Like
technical,
what kind of questions were asked in the aptitude?
Quants,
So
quants will be there, logical reasoning will be there, just like gate. The only the level will be a little bit higher. The
okay,
aptitude that you have studied, so like similar to RS Agarwal, you might have in there
right,
the
right,
questions in RS Agarwal and such
right,
things only. It's not that it will be very tough, but it's
right.
just that like you will, the time will be less, and then you, because the rest of the students they have kept the bar will be very high. So in maybe in
Okay,
normal companies you might just need to score 50%, but here you will now have to score at least 70 to 80% of the questions or something of that sort.
okay. And how was the technical round? Like, what kind of technical questions they asked?
Again, that depends on the profile. So my profile is on ASIC engineering. So like this the questions all related to
Okay,
VLSI related. So there were a lot of design
right.
questions. I think for analog VLSI also there were a lot of design questions, and they just like
Okay,
it's not much about it's about what we have to use. The thing it won't be like
okay,
the question will be very tough. It's just that you will the or lengthy as such. That's that you will have to spend a lot of time just figuring
okay,
out what we have to choose here and how we have to implement. And it won't be
okay.
like okay, like not going into details, but at least you should know what is the basic thing and how can you achieve that target. So
So
the problem
basically,
statement itself will be tough. Yeah.
yeah. So basically, they want to see the approach, like how
Yes.
you approach the question, right?
Yes.
Great. भावेंद्र, अभी सुन पा रहे हो क्या?
Yeah, yeah.
भावेंद्र,
Now it is audible actually. Due to poor connection, that it was get
हाँ,
disconnected.
okay. What you can do is you can go to a network area.
I,
So जहाँ
I,
पे थोड़ा,
I,
can you hear me now?
no, no. Now I think now it is okay. So
Yes,
I will
yes,
answer
yes,
to your
yes.
question.
Yeah, yeah, great. Hello. I think again he got disconnected. Okay. Shaili.
Yes, sir.
So you also got two offer letters, right? As in you cracked two
Yes,
campus placements as well. So tell me, like, did gate preparation help you?
yes, yes, sir. It did a lot. Because most of the gates subjects is
Right,
what they ask in aptitude, like C programming and some amount of data structure and DBMS also.
right.
So that is what they ask after the aptitude round. In the technical round, they ask questions based on that.
Okay. And like, of course, there might also be one aptitude round as well.
Yes, in the start.
Then,
Yeah, so GATE also has aptitude section, right? So we
yeah,
study for that, and that is why it helps for the interviews also.
right. And like, I know your CGPA, right? It's 8.5. Your CGPA is 8.5 till now. Still, you have one semester
Yes,
left.
sir.
I hope your CGPA will increase. So tell me, how do you balance between academic, like, how did you balance between academic and gate preparation? कुछ अलग से schedule
Um,
बनाते थे, or used to simultaneously study both?
yes, the schedule was always there. At times, it was difficult to always maintain the schedule, but
Right,
it is important to not give up. Like
right,
अगर आज वो सब schedule follow नहीं हुआ, still you
right,
should keep going on with it. Like you should
right.
give your best each and every day. And
Yeah,
also, most of the college work was project centric, right? So once I did my part in the project, and then I
right,
let the people in my team do the other part when
right,
gate was approaching.
right,
So, and for the semester exams, directly, I think first unit test and second unit test covers up a lot of your syllabus.
right.
So, semester May also I studied for GATE only most of the time, and yes, the subject was my second priority. Like the semester was the second priority. GATE was always the first.
Right. So again, that is a good example of teamwork where you all have distributed your work. जब आपका gate
Yes.
था, you have asked them to handle all the work for your project, and you focused on gate. So this is a good
Yeah.
example of teamwork. Somesh,
Yes.
so tell me one thing, like IISc Bangalore, okay, IISc Bangalore has the best of best faculties in India, right? So जो इंडिया के बेस्ट फैकल्टीज है दे वुड बी इन आईआईटीज एंड आईआईसी बैंगलोर. सो व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस बीटेक का और एमटेक का क्या एक्सपीरियंस था? Plus, like how would you differentiate between the quality of education or the quality of subjects or the subject that you have studied during BTech and during MTech? कितना डिटेल में स्टडी हुआ और क्या हेल्प हुआ आपको?
So first of all, the teachers question. I think the main thing what teachers like normally the concepts that I've already studied. Like I remember one of the subjects was maths. I personally
Right.
like maths from I think from 11 to itself. So I always used to like maths, but I thought that I was pretty fluent in it. But when I was in ISC, they were teaching the same topics, the similar topics,
Right.
just a little bit advanced.
Right.
But the flow
Right.
in them was such that I mean I would like okay I'm studying completely different subject itself. So like
Right.
subjects like matrix, vector spaces, probabilities, which are very common. I mean, everyone would have studied, but they normally
Right.
study it like, okay, vector is one thing, matrices are different thing, and but rest is different thing. But
Right.
the way it was flown, like it just seemed to me that okay, there is nothing as three different. These are not three different topics, but a single topic, and the flow was such,
Right.
and it is not just one subject. Almost in every subject, I think main thing is that the way that they teach, the concepts that they cover. So a lot of
Right.
concepts, even in simple concepts like op-amps, I was like, okay, this is how it used to happen. Oh, now I try to figure it. Okay, अभी ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा. So
Okay.
like a lot of things,
So
new concepts. I think
yeah.
the way they teach the conceptual thing is much better. And the
So do
second
they?
part was,
Yeah. Tell me. Okay,
the
go on.
second part about the thing, the first thing that comes to mind, I've said it before itself, that the assignments. I mean, normally in BTech, what we had is that you just had to Google stuff or just get it from somebody, the assignments, and just write something out. Here, we
Right.
spend most of our times on assignments.
Right.
So, and the like, it will be quite time consuming. So it won't be like you just have to copy something. The questions won't be
Right.
even on the internet. So you will have to
Right.
study it thoroughly and then go about doing things. And normally, assignment takes 3 to 4 days if you're giving proper time. So I think assignments are one thing, and second is the exam. So normally we don't. I mean, most of the subjects actually have open book or open internet test, which
Right.
like simulates the environment in which will be going in the industrial world. Because in industrial
Right.
world we'll have the books, we'll have the internet as well, but still the
Right.
problems will be a little different. So like
Right.
those types of examinations just boost us to adapt to the world, to the industry as well, so that we know that the problems will be difficult. You don't need to mug up anything, but the approach will be the approach you require to solve industrial problems. You can start learning it from the examination itself.
Yeah. So it's more more practical implication
Practical.
sort of thing rather than
Theory.
reading all the theories and all.
Exactly.
Yeah. So great. So Shaili has mentioned one thing about preparing schedule. Okay. So okay, Bhavendra is back. So schedule से मुझे याद आया, Bhavendra used to give himself target. Bhavendra अभी आ रहा है आवाज आपको?
या अभी आवाज आ रहा है. एक्चुअली कनेक्शन का
हाँ.
इश्यू, इससे दिक्कत आ
भावेंद्र,
रही है. आप पूछिए.
what you can do is you can switch off your video. Even like if you switch off your video, I think it will take lesser bandwidth. एक बार video off कर दो ना.
बेटर आई विल डू दैट ओनली. ओके.
हाँ video off
Okay.
कर दो. Right. हाँ. So
हाँ.
हाँ मैं ये बोल रहा था schedule से मुझे याद आया when I spoke to Bhavendra back then in like 1 year back, he used to say वो target based preparation करता था. Target based preparation as in he used to give himself target like मैं आज 60 क्वेश्चन करूंगा, आज 70 करूंगा, नेक्स्ट डे 80 करूंगा. तो भावेंद्र कुछ बताओ उसके बारे में.
नहीं, एक्चुअली आपने जो पॉइंट बोला, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का मतलब, उससे भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट ये था कि मेरे लिए कि जैसे अभी ये सब्जेक्ट थे, मैंने खुद का ऐसे प्लानिंग हम करते थे, मंथली प्लानिंग, वीकली प्लानिंग, फिर डेली का प्लानिंग हम करते थे.
Right.
So this is only the important thing, means like you divide the syllabus into the subject into the chapter, and chapter into topic. So topic by
Right.
topic you make the planning, and
Right.
that's what it's worked for me. So and you have talked about number of questions. So yeah, without solving the question you cannot crack any competitive exam. Just gaining
Right.
the knowledge is not required. How you can apply the knowledge is the problem. That is also very important. So that you can come to know by the solving a lot of problems. So
Right.
at the just 2 months before of the exam, I used to solve around, I think, 70 problems, like not continuously, but like 30 questions morning, afternoon 10 to 20 questions, evening, before go to sleep again 10 to 20 questions, like that overall 70-80 क्वेश्चन दिन में हो जाता था मतलब. So ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है मतलब इस तरह से शेड्यूल बनाना मतलब.
ठीक है. और दूसरा चीज ये है भावेंद्र, लाइक आई नो यू got a offer, you got a call from IIT Madras. I think you have also joined IIT Madras, right? मैं IIT Madras join किया था MTech के लिए, then
Yes.
you again went to
Yes.
Indian Oil, right? So tell me what made
Yes,
you,
yes,
you know,
yes.
take that decision. Plus, of course, decision सही है कि गलत है वो तुम बताओगे अभी, लेकिन what made you to take that decision?
Yes, yes. Yeah. Actually, in our India, there is a dream for every person to study in IIT. IISc also, that's part of it. IIT, IISc में पढ़ने का सबका सपना होता है. So when I entered to IIT Madras, it's like मेरे बहुत पहले का ड्रीम मेरा पूरा हो गया मतलब. बट एक पॉइंट था कि मतलब हम सबका पर्सनल प्रायोरिटी होता है. तो उसी तरह मेरा भी था मतलब कि मुझे जॉब चाहिए था अभी मतलब जिस तरह से मतलब हम सबका अपना रिक्वायरमेंट है, प्रायोरिटीज होते हैं. तो मुझे मेरा पहला जो गेट देने का जो था इंटेंशन वो मेरा था, मुझे जॉब चाहिए था इसके थ्रू. बट एक सेकंड ऑप्शन के लिए मैंने एमटेक थ्रू आईआईटी भी रखा था. तो इन केस अगर मेरा किसी पीएसयू में सिलेक्शन नहीं होता तो मैं आईआईटी से एमटेक करके उसके थ्रू अपना फ्यूचर बेटर करता था. तो ये मेरा प्लान था मतलब इट्स काइंड ऑफ प्लान ए एंड प्लान बी. अगर ये नहीं तो फिर ये, इस तरह से मेरा प्लान था. मतलब ये है कि studying from IIT is one of the best options one can pursue from after BTech, क्योंकि जो 3-4 महीने का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है वो काफी बेटर रहा है. तो बट हम सबका अपना पर्सनल प्रायोरिटी से उस बेस पे हम डिसीजन लेते हैं.
Yes, yes, we can understand definitely. Actually, बहुत सारे लोग अभी हमको join कर रहे हैं, so I will introduce all of you again because they are asking, they do not know. Okay, so Shaili, she is GATE 2020 All India ranking, All India ranker 805 from computer science. He is from Father Agnes Bandra. Somesh, he was an ex-student of Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, All India ranking 102, GATE 2018, EC, and currently doing his masters. He is in final semester, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He has already received an offer letter from NVIDIA with a CTC of 24 lakhs, right? Yeah, then we have Bhavendra Jha, who is currently working in Indian Oil, IOCL, which is a Maharatna PSU. And he has secured All India ranking of 216 in mechanical engineering in the year GATE 2019. So this is our guest for the webinar tonight. And so my next question is to Bhavendra. एक बात बताओ मुझे भावेंद्र, लाइक एक अभी बहुत सारा न्यूज ये रिसेंटली ट्रेंडिंग में था, क्योंकि ऐसा होता है मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट दे जॉइन आईआईटी एंड आफ्टर दैट दे कीप यू नो गिविंग इंटरव्यूज फॉर पीएसयू. ओके, एंड उनके बाद जैसे तुम्हारे साथ हुआ था सेम केस
एक्चुअली
यू गॉट एन ऑफर फ्रॉम इंडियन ऑयल.
ये पॉइंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है ये.
हाँ बताओ.
हाँ, और ये केस पिछले बहुत सालों से हो रहा है ये मतलब कि गेट के थ्रू आईआईटी में जो एमटेक भी ऑफर करते हैं एंड पीएसयू में जॉब भी. तो यही पॉइंट यही है कि जब तक ये कॉमन पोर्टल में नहीं आएंगे तो ये इशू चलता ही रहेगा, क्योंकि एज ए इंडिविजुअल हम सब अपने लिए एक सेफ ऑप्शन चूज करते हैं कि ये प्लान है, प्लान बी, ये नहीं तो ये, मतलब यही हर सबका ऐसे ही होता है. तो इसी के वजह से जब तक ये कॉमन पोर्टल में नहीं आएगा मतलब पीएसयू एंड आईआईटी, if they are not like releasing their results, they're offered in the common portal, unless and until there won't be the vacant seat of IITs will not stop. So that is the issue, and ये एक बड़ा issue है actually. तो इस पे जो एक कुछ तो इसमें मतलब चेंज करना चाहिए इसमें.
हाँ, do you think like centralizing the process will help? क्योंकि तुमने personally experience किया है, because you wanted to join a PSU. हाँ, और पहले क्या हुआ मैं बता देता हूँ एक बार.
आईआईटी के रिजल्ट आते हैं. हाँ यस.
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैं एक बार स्टूडेंट्स को बता देता हूँ. होता ऐसा है कि भावेंद्र वांटेड टू जॉइन इंडियन ऑयल और एनी ऑफ दीज पीएसयूज, बट उनका पीएसयूज का रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस डिले होता है और उससे पहले ही आईआईटीज का एडमिशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो ही गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम आईआईटी मद्रास, ही जॉइंड आईआईटी मद्रास, देन after a period of 4 months he left and he again joined Indian Oil. So that's what we are asking. हाँ बोलो भाविंदर.
हाँ वही पॉइंट था मेरा, मतलब कि अगर ये चीज पहले ही हो जाती, मतलब जैसे जब आईआईटी के रिजल्ट आते उसी वक्त पीएसयू के भी रिजल्ट आ जाते, तो शायद
Right.
मैं और मेरे जैसे बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जो एडमिशन नहीं लेते आईआईटी में,
Right.
फिर बाकी लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाती पढ़ने को। तो ये एक
Right.
बड़ा इशू है। पर्सनली मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया कि मेरे जगह कोई और अगर इस साल अभी एमटेक कर लेता, मतलब आईआईटी से,
Right.
तो मेरा सीट
Right.
वैकेंट हुआ वहां पे, तो ये एक मुझे खुद को अच्छा नहीं लगा। एट द एंड जो होता है ना, हम इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे सोचेंगे तो फिर हम अपना जो पहला प्रायोरिटी सोचे उसके पीछे हम जा रहे हैं, तो वही बात है। तो ये
Yeah.
पॉइंट इतनी सीरियस इशू है, उसके लिए कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए।
Right. Right. So okay. Again, Shaili.
Yes, sir.
IITs का application process start हो चुका है?
Yes, sir.
So
Start
have you
हुआ है.
already applied to few institutes, few IITs?
Yes, yes,
कहाँ
I
कहाँ
have
apply
applied.
किया है and how is the application process? Please tell something about that.
Okay, so the application process is you have to go on the website of each and every IIT and
Right.
fill up individual forms. So
Okay.
I have applied at IIT Bombay, Madras. Like according to my rank, actually there are like every IIT has two programs. There is
Right.
research assistantship and teaching assistantship.
Right.
So the teaching assistantship generally has a higher cutoff than the research one because teaching assistantship is for 2 years and the RA is for 3 years. Um, like that RA is considered as MS in some of the IITs, but in
Right.
IIT Bombay there are two different like RA for masters and there's a separate MS program also in IIT
Okay.
Bombay.
Yeah.
So my rank falls under RA category. So I am also planning to apply for NITs, and for NITs you have a common portal where you can apply for the top NITs. So that portal has started on 29. That is yesterday only, where you can fill up the form and everything.
Okay. Okay. So great. So like if a person, like for example in IIT Bombay, if you want to apply for both RA program and MS program, you can apply, right? You can
Yes,
apply for
we
both
can.
the programs, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Great. Great. Somesh, like is there any student exchange program in IISc Bangalore? कोई
Uh,
students exchange
spec-
program है क्या?
specifically in our department I think सिर्फ ज़्यादा नहीं है, सिर्फ 20% of the students I think apply करते स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम के लिए। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वो लोग इंटर्नशिप्स में जाना प्रीफर करते हैं, and the
Okay.
rest of the people I think around 20% of the people go for student exchange program, around 30-40% for internship, और rest of the people actually try करते हैं कि वहाँ के प्रोजेक्ट पे थोड़ा काम करें। So that is a
Okay.
culture that is there at the moment. हाँ, बाकी departments I think they actually encourage student exchange program. हमारे
Okay.
डिपार्टमेंट में इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है as compared to other departments.
So which universities basically visit IISc Bangalore for the exchange program?
One I remember is Western Sydney University. It's in
Okay.
Australia. So
Okay.
they took people for neuromorphic engineering, I think, for the
Oh.
AI field. So
Okay.
from that there are like hardware accelerated AI field. So they took for that.
Right.
I don't remember other actually. So there's two of them. So I don't remember the other name.
Okay.
So I didn't apply
So
for it.
okay, you didn't apply. Okay. So again internships के लिए internships क्या compulsory होता है students के लिए?
नहीं, actually in our department they actually discourage internships because they say that anyways
That's what.
anyways you will be joining in one of the companies. So instead
Right.
of that you just have 2 years. So at least give 6 months to 8 months completely to your project instead of going here and there. And then eventually
Right.
when you will be joining, because the curriculum is such that you will be getting a lot of exposure of the
Right.
industrial level. So
Right.
our department actually doesn't encourage much. However, if you want, you can go, but
Right.
like they will be like, okay, you better try to do your project work instead of
Right. Right. So, like I have heard, because in Indian Institute of Science, I have heard in internship they offer huge package to students, right? Like they used to earn a lot for a year or for 6 months internship.
Hmm.
Right? Tell something about that, and how is the internship recruitment process or internship application process?
So basically, in IC at least there are two types of internship that they offer. So one is the like the sponsored kind of internship. So in that they will be they will carry out a complete process. So what does that mean is that, for example, when Texas Instruments come to for hire for getting the internships, then they will
Right.
sponsor your fees and your mess fees, your mess facilities, your academic fees. They will sponsor everything. And I think
Okay.
instead of what we get stipend as 12,400, they receive something around 25,000 approx.
Oh,
So instead of that, and that will be
right.
for 1.5 year long. So
Okay.
like they come after 6 months. So after second
Okay.
semester they come, and for 1.5 year long they will give 25,000 each, and the
Okay.
PPO is almost guaranteed. So almost everyone gets the PPO. This is one
Okay.
type of internship. The second type internship is those type of like you get 2 2 months or 3 months of internship. Normally, I think the companies have given from 35,000 per month to 1 lakh per month. So
Oh, that's
depending on,
huge.
yes, so depending on the
Yeah.
company you get, you opt for it. So
Okay.
35,000 to 1 lakh per month. That's normally.
Okay. So, Bhavendra,
Yes, yes.
yeah. So, tell me about your interview experience in Indian Oil, IOCL.
The basic process of every PSU of is for giving the offer to the gate is first they shortlist to the gate score, then they
Right.
conduct the personal interview and also group discussion. So the IOCL is one of them which conduct they give some weightage to the gate score and some weightage to the group discussion and some weightage to the personal interview. In personal interview is also of like it's a combination of technical interview plus HR interview. So along with the some of the basic knowledge of technical subject of your field, you must have some knowledge of your like what's happening around you in the world and in the country. They can ask you that question also. So this was the overall interview of IOCL. So my personal experience was like they just asked me one technical question and I think they were satisfied with my answer and that's why they switched to a lot of question was regarding my HR only, regarding my
Okay.
hobbies, my field of interest, and I think yeah, my project also they have touched the point of my project as well. Definitely, this is also good point. Project they are asking the question on project as well. And yeah, this was the overall experience of my IOCL interview.
Okay. So, what kind of technical question you were asked? Like, were you given an option कि आपका favorite subject कौन सा है? ऐसा कुछ पूछा था कि they
No,
have
they don't
directly asked you a
ask
question?
that. No,
Okay, they don't ask.
they didn't ask that. Actually,
Okay.
the question was very simple question. I think it was like explain the knocking phenomena in SI and CI engine and how we can prevent that. I
Right.
think that is a very general question in which some person have learned IC engine very well. They can easily
Okay.
answer this question easily. So, and next question was about HR only. HR only.
Okay. So, and like, how was your interview experience for IIT Madras?
Actually, the point is like the for the core branch, the IIT Madras didn't conduct the interview. They
Okay.
directly select to the gate score for
Okay.
the core
Okay.
branch. But there are some
Okay.
of the branches. I don't know the exact specific name of it. They conduct the
Okay.
interview as well for the research. MS by research, they conduct interview. For MTech
Okay.
core branch, they shortlist directly by the gate score.
Okay. Okay. So, I remember once you told me about the subjects of mechanical engineering, because there are a lot of mechanical
Yes,
students who have joined in.
yes, yes.
So, कुछ subjects के बारे में बताओ. You have said engineering mechanics is the
Yes,
basic and
yes.
it is the most
Actually,
important subject
I
when you
want
prepare
I also
GATE.
want to I also
Yeah.
want to your first answer to your first question, which you why
Yeah.
I have chosen to re-attempt the Gate 19 again. You
Yeah.
have asked me the first question in this webinar.
Right. Right.
So
Right. Right.
yeah, so answer to this question is that only in the first attempt, I thought I was well prepared. All the formulas I practiced some of the problem as well due to shortage of time. Since it was along the final year, my project works are also there. So जितना time मिल पाया just a second. Okay. So
Yeah.
I solved some of the problem as well. So the
Yeah.
given the real time is was that I thought that though I have solving a lot of problem, I have solved a lot of problem, but still I have not gone to the basic concept of many subjects. So
Right.
again, starting the grade 19 preparation, I focus on the basic subject of mechanical engineering, which I found that is first is mathematics, second is engineering mechanics, and third is material science.
Right.
I've personally experienced that any student of mechanical engineering, if they does these three subjects very well, then they will not face any difficulty, or I can say a lot of difficulty in other subjects. These three
Right.
are the, you can say, like a roots of the mechanical engineering. So I have done these three subjects very well, and then I found very easy to do other subjects.
Okay.
So these are the three
And
subjects which are very important according to my experience.
right, right. I think this will help a lot of students who will appear gate 21 and 22 in mechanical. Shaili, tell me what was your favorite subject, and according to you, which subject is the easiest one and which subject is the most toughest one for computer science, and how did you handle those?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, in terms of ease and toughness, I think it we can't say that a particular subject is easy, because in GATE, for each and every subject, there are various types of questions. There is one easy
Right,
question, one
right,
tough question,
right,
one question which can be easy, but you will have to think a lot on it. So it's kind
right,
of time consuming and all.
right,
But overall, I think computer organization is a subject which has a huge syllabus. So
right,
it is difficult to study in that sense.
right,
Also, theory of computation, that is TOC. Okay, so TOC has this one chapter, that is undecidability. I felt that it requires a lot of deep understanding, without which
right,
it is difficult to solve.
right,
And yes, digital logic is comparatively easier to understand, but then again they can throw various types of questions in that as well. So
right.
uh, they can twist the questions and ask, so you can't
So how
say
many
that.
questions? How many questions you used to
Yes,
practice on daily basis? Yeah, if we consider start from your preparation till the time you reach towards the end of your preparation and the final exam.
yes.
So how?
When my college was going on, like normal routine college, that time I used to give only like 4 hours or something to get. So in that, most of the time went in covering the syllabus. So practice was a little less from my side. And yeah, but during December and Jan, when colleges were like the vacation was going on, and Jan mostly I did not attend college as such. So yes, at that time I practiced a lot. So every day I tried to attempt at least so there's this book, Vidyalanka's book, where we have a set of questions, right? So I used to try to solve at least 60 questions. Like that is, you have a 60 marks paper in case, like
Right.
65 marks,
Yes.
like
Questions.
65
Yeah.
questions out and
Yeah.
100 marks. So at least I
Yeah.
should try 65 questions each day.
Okay. That is from past exam question paper. You are saying past exam
Yeah,
EQ
from the
and EQ
previous.
EQs. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. And Somesh, uh, I know, like you had appeared GATE in 2018, but still, uh, students को थोड़ा बताओ, like for electronics and communication, what are the most important subjects, how they should prepare, how to make schedule and all.
So first of all, at least to start with, जब start करना होता है, I think you should choose a subject which you like the most, or which
Right,
is the easy subject, or which you like the most basically. So like
right,
at least, because normally GATE start करना is a very big barrier. Like to get in
right,
that frame of mind, you have to go for GATE and start doing, because you can give up very easily. So to get
right,
into that frame of mind, I think it's very important कि आप start में कोई easy subject या जो आपको अच्छा लगता है वो subject ले, so that once you get in the groove, then you can start focusing on the subject, on the subjects which are a little bit difficult.
right,
And in terms of which subjects are very important, I think engineering mathematics, I think once you do that, lot of subjects, at least parts of lot of subjects get covered. Analog devices, AI, analog integrated circuits, so analog circuits,
right,
those, I think these the basics, the basic electrical engineering. So like these are the basic subjects which are very important. And again, the weightage now, I think in the last past 3 times we have seen that the weightage is now varying a lot. So like
Right.
Previously it had a particular format, but last time we saw there were a lot of questions based on digital VLSI,
Right.
and this time I think a lot of questions were on communication based. So
Right.
the weightage is changing each time, but at the end I think so you should go for subjects which are your strong point, and the basic electronic subjects that are analog circuits and which in digital electronics. So these are subjects that you
Right.
know that they will be confirmed that they will have a substantial weightage. Baki
Right.
subjects like at the moment digital VLSI they are giving a lot of priority. The
Right.
communication field they are giving a lot of priority. So depending on also like if you can also consider which IIT is conducting here. So like based on the IIT, like IIT Madras was very good in VLSI field. So normally
Right.
they try to give the questions on based on VLSI field. So
Okay.
IIT, so this is the particular that we have seen. The like I've talked to my colleagues also. जिन्होंने तीन साल 2 साल प्रिपरेशन किया है. So they also said the same thing कि based on कौन सा IIT है, so they will focus a little bit more on the field in which they are good in. तो वो भी एक consider वो भी एक factor consider कर सकते हैं.
Okay. So finally, like now your final semesters are already. Both of you are in final semesters. Okay. She is in BTech final semester. You are in MTech final semester. Bhavendra, you are there.
Yes, yes,
I
I'm
think.
here.
Okay. Okay. So like how things are going on at your college? What are the plans? Like are they going to end the session soon, or कैसे online exams होने वाले हैं कैसे? कुछ बताया क्या? कुछ नोटिफिकेशन आया आप लोगों को?
So start. हमने बोला है कि I think 1 जून at most 1 जून से start होगा. So like 1 जून या उसके बाद ही start होने वाला है. So they have just circulated this notice. Meanwhile
Okay.
we have to continue with our project work. Mostly
Okay.
July ending तक ये semester खत्म होगा. And
Okay.
1 August से नया sem start होगा. I think
Okay.
I think UG से कुछ notification आया कि like for the people who are already enrolled in a subject or
Right.
enrolled in a semester, उनका
Right.
August से start होगा. And for new joining new applicants September 1st September से start होना चाहिए. Again these are the guidelines. This may change depending on how the
Of course. Of
situation
course.
is,
Of course.
but these are
So
the guidelines.
hope things goes well very soon. Bhavendra, you are there?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes,
Bhavendra, I wanted to know like now currently you are doing your training in Indian Oil, right? IOCL.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So how was your experience? Like कैसे होता है ट्रेनिंग वहाँ पे? कहाँ क्या क्या था आपका ट्रेनिंग शेड्यूल कैसा था?
Yeah. I can only talk about the refinery division since I'm in refinery now. So basically, in mechanical, there are different departments first of all, and right now, till now, I am not specified in which department I am going to work. They give
Okay.
the exposure of every department little bit. So
Right.
currently, I am in the mechanical maintenance department, which you can say as one of the important department of to run the refinery continuously.
Okay.
So I think being the mechanical engineering and going into refinery is like not less than heaven. It's like you will see all the equipments and all the the things which you have designed, the things which you have learned in the textbooks that you can see in the front. I can imagine that the pump which I used to draw on my notebook, that pump there in the refinery is the size of my classroom.
Right.
That I have personally I have seen from my eyes. So it's like dream for a mechanical engineering to be there in the refinery. So
Okay.
I'm enjoying a lot. I'm means like they also tell us to read the manual. It's a very boring task, but still I try to read the manual as well. But I used to mostly take a round in the refinery, and
Right.
they assign me some particular units. Like you have to visit this unit and just go and see the jobs happening there. So in that only, if you have any question, you ask the seniors, you read the manuals, and I think this is only the schedule which are going in right now in the refinery. Overall, it's a great experience till now, and I'm enjoying a lot.
Okay. Okay, great. So before ending the session, I want all of you to advise students how they can utilize this time because all of them are staying at home. Uh, so how they should prepare because uh, what I feel is most important thing is first you have to understand what you are doing, right? Even if you are preparing for gate, what why you are preparing it, what, why, and how. These are the three things they should understand. Firstly, what they are preparing, why they are preparing, and how they should prepare, right? So I want all of you to give some advices to our students and on how to utilize this time. And that's it. I'll go one by one. Let's start from Shaili. She's a fresher. She has just given gate, so everything
Yes,
will be
sir.
fresh. Yeah. Let's start.
So I think those who are 100% sure that they are going to attempt GATE with lots of, they have to work hard because this is the time where everybody is free and at home
Right.
right now. So those
Right.
who are preparing will be preparing a lot. So competition will be high, and
Right.
also I think then the GATE paper will also be kind of tough this time because see everybody will be preparing, so if we don't prepare right now, then they will be ahead in the competition. That is why every day matters, so it
Right.
is good idea to study every day.
Right. Bhavendra.
Yes, yes. So
So
I will say that yeah, I say the same thing again and again. That is my experience, which I have gained from my own preparation. I will
right.
say that once again, you should always stick to the basic subject. One is basic subject, and other is important subject. So though there
Right.
are some subjects which don't have a lot of weightage in the GATE exam, but still the knowledge is very much required in for the subject to study. Like example, engineering mechanics, if I will give example mechanical. If you are very good in that subject, then you will not face difficulty in fluid mechanics, theory of machine, strength of material. So if you are doing this one subject very well, you are being very easily, you can do that all three to four subjects. So once again, the same suggestion from my side will be that stick to the basic three important subjects, have the proper notes, revise the notes periodically. Means as 20-25 intervals is to revise the notes and also solve lots of problems. That's a suggestion from my side.
Okay. Somesh. Somesh.
Yeah, is my
Yeah.
voice audible? Is my voice
Yeah.
audible?
Yeah. Yeah. It's audible. Yeah.
Okay. So
So
I think again,
y-
the similar things that. Okay. Go.
yeah, that's what. Like how they should utilize this time. शेड्यूल बनाना चाहिए या फिर मतलब स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए प्रिपेयर करना. They should give themselves a target.
हाँ हाँ आई थिंक दिस इज द आई थिंक इतना फ्री टाइम आई थिंक हार्डली कभी ऐसा होगा कि किसी को इतना फ्री टाइम मिलेगा सो आई थिंक
Right.
दिस इज द
Right.
बेस्ट टाइम टू यूटिलाइज कि हाँ यू कैन मेक योर टारगेट्स एंड एक्चुअली ट्राई अपग्रेडिंग योर टारगेट्स यू कैन
Right.
ट्राई अपग्रेडिंग योर टारगेट्स एंड as well as कि इतना फ्री टाइम होता है तो बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि वी एक्चुअली लूज आवर concentration and we lose start losing our motivation because we have
Right.
so much of free time you don't feel like doing things. So
Right.
maybe if once in a while if you feel like that you're losing motivation, maybe you can just take a day off and just try to think why you actually chose that I have to do gate itself. So you can just take it
Right.
a bit of time, start thinking again that okay हाँ ये these were the reasons कि मैंने gate किया है, so that will help in getting back that motivation that you have lost because of the rest that you are getting. So
Yeah.
I think this is the very crucial time. I think most of the people they are like they will be free because there is not much work or traveling time is reduced, and most of the exams they are either postponed or they will be like they are based on internals or something of that sort. So we'll have a lot
Yeah.
of time. So try and utilize it as much as you can, and try to stay motivated. And that's it, I think, for me.
Yeah, I think most of them already know the what of gate. Okay, they already know what they can achieve. Having a good score in gate. So now they should only keep themselves motivated. They should understand the why. Okay, why they are doing this, right, and what they can achieve. By appearing gate, and of course, they all know. You all have suggested very well. You all have advised them on how to get there. Okay, so with that note, I'll end this session. And once again, thanks all of you for joining this session. And if our students require any sort of help from you guys, I'll definitely, love them to connect to you all. Okay, so I hope आप लोग सब उनके लिए available रहोगे to give them advices. Okay, so thanks a lot. Thanks for joining, and stay safe at home. Okay, stay safe at home, and I hope we all will, get back to normal life very soon.
Hopefully.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye. Take care, all of you.
Yeah,
So,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
bye.
yeah,
Thank you.
okay. Bye.